take them out. I want to take them
Go ahead.
He did. Oh, I love seeing that. He made them. Frozen. The boots. Yep. Click clacks. And it's exactly like I wanted it. See how beautiful she is?
She is beautiful. They both are.
Look at her boots.
I know, I love her boots.
Me too. Hello, Elsa. Hello. What's her name?
Anna.
Anna.
Oh, Anna. What are you doing? That's going to me.
They're going to love playing with the mermaids.
Huh?
They're going to love playing with the mermaids. And
Yeah,
the
Elsa
princesses.
will do something to the water in the area and I will not love. Wow, look it! Look what I got! Yeah, so? Yes, come on, let's go open. Let's open them. Elsa will do so bad. Just kidding. Come on. Give us a lot of stuff. Like, here's stockings. Oh my gosh, I just got
What are those for? They're for your cars.
Huh?
Yeah.
A Lego book? Oh, please. Go on, a Lego book. Gum? Seriously. Oh, gum. Oh, gosh. Why are you so rough? Another card. Oh, check the next.
You got a Build-A-Bear Workshop card?
McDonald's card 25 cents.
No, it's not McDonald's.
Oh, cool.
You got a Build-A-Bear Workshop card too.
We're going to go make a bear.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, not today.
No, we can go. No, I'm gonna go get some clothes. Oh, gum. Sing by Mel, gum.
What kind of gum?
What kind of?
One more thing.
What kind of gum?
Bubble gum. I have bubble gum too. I have Santa. Me too. I think I have something else. No.
That's it?
Let's see if Elsa